New York's Hudson Valley has some beautiful gardens. The Met Cloisters, on the northern tip of Manhattan, is one that I visited in the spring of 2022. It's about an hour south of Stonecrop and a little further from Innisfree, the two other gardens that I visited on this trip. The Met Cloisters has a great collection of medieval art, but what really draws me to it is the architecture and its beautiful cloister gardens. There are 4 cloisters on the site, and I'm going to start with the Bonfont and the tree. The Bonfont is primarily a herb garden, containing plants grown in the medieval period, and it's used as a teaching garden. It's the only garden on the site with a big outdoor view, in this case, across the Hudson River to the Palisades. The tree cloister is next door and fully enclosed. The planting here evokes the mille-fleurs background of the museum's medieval tapestries. The Saint-Guilhem cloister is hardly a garden at all and is placed under a skylight. The beautiful columns come mostly from a monastery in southwest France called Saint-Guilhem-le-Désert. Here's the last of the 4 cloisters, and it was my favorite because of the pink stone and the simple planting. Wait for the birds and the sound of the fountain. Hi, it's John at Highbanks.pilgrim. That's it for the Met Cloisters. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Before leaving, recall that at the end of my previous video on the Stonecrop Gardens, I promised a 4th video on a garden in Quebec near the Vermont border. It's called Glenvilla, and that's the video that's coming up next. I have included now a short segment from it profiling its beautiful water feature. So take a look, and if you like it, then watch the full video. Bye-bye.